Today we will learn how to set up environment variable in Mac, Bash profile in UI.
So you'd like to set up an environment variable in Mac so that you can use it in your script. Usually environment variables are set up in the bash profile, and whenever you call them, it will give you the desired value which has been set by you. I mean to say, suppose let's say I would like to get a value for an environment variable which I have set, but now it is not reflecting anything because I have not set. So I have to set it in the bash profile, but I do not want to set it up in the bash profile using the terminal. I would like to use the UI mode. So let's see and learn. Now let's go to the Finder and let's go to Macintosh SD. In the Macintosh SD, you will find the users. Okay, let's go to my user, and I can see here that I cannot see the hidden files. Bash profile is usually a hidden file, but I cannot see it here. So first of all, I need to do some setup so that I can start looking at the hidden files. To get the hidden files, you have to press in your keyboard Shift Command and dot. Shift Command and dot. So now see, you can see all the hidden files in your folder. So let's find out where is the bash profile. I can see the bash profile here. Double click on this. Okay, now the bash profile is open. So let's type something here. Environment variables for scripting. Okay, now I'll say export. Okay, let's say test environment. Okay, test environment is equal to test. You should make it all caps. And now let's set up something for, let's say, another environment variable. So let's say make it staging environment variable, and this is staging. Then we should save it and we should close it and open a new terminal. Now earlier in the bash profile we set up two environment variable. One is test environment, one is staging environments. Okay, so now let's see whether those environment variables are set or not. So test underscore env, I can see test, and similarly if I put for staging, I can put as staging underscore env is staging. So now we are successfully able to set up the environment variables. Thank you, and wait for the next video. If you like it, please click like it and subscribe it. Thank you.